Hey guys, Pamit here. Today we're going to try a science experiment.
A vortex forming inside your bottle.
Tornado in a bottle. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we got a empty plastic bottle here and some dishwashing soap. So to start, I'm going to fill up the bottle with some water. Be right back. Alright, and now we're supposed to take a couple of squirts of this soap. There you go. Okay, that's good. Alright, that didn't exactly get down. Okay, get down there. Just trying to make sure the soap gets down. And then it says to put glitter in it as well, so you can see the tornado easier. So I have a sheet here with some glitter on it. I'm gonna try to rip some off, get some glitter, put it in. More of that glitter. There we go. Okay. Should hopefully be good. All right, and now turn it. So I tighten the cap, turn it upside down, and now circular motions. Circular motions. Do you see that tornado? Sort of. Try it again. It did say you might have to try it a few times. That's it. Get it close there. Alright. So it looks like we just have some soapy water in a bottle there, but I think it was swirling around, making some sort of tornado. Anyways, that was a fantastic experience. You know, these experiments don't always end up how you think they're gonna, but again, whatever. Giving it a shot. So guys, say yes to something new.